स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, ठीक है। ओके, तो अब देखो जो स्ट्रक्चर है पेनिसिलिन का, these are not flat structure, okay, so this is generally half book or folding like structure। तो मेरा ऑडियो क्लियर, वॉइस क्लियर है ना? बस लास्ट टाइम बोल दो।
Yes, sir.
ओके, ठीक है, चलो। तो अगर देखा जाए पेनिसिलिन का स्ट्रक्चर, तो इट विल बी लाइक दिस, ओके। This is beta-lactamycin, and another one is sulfur methyl methyl and this is a lone pair, okay, and it's like NH C-double-O and R, ठीक है। तो अब देखो there is lone pair also, so this lone pair can participate into resonance, but this lone pair can't participate into resonance. Why? Any idea? Because this penicillin is not a flat structure, okay, so this is like half folded book like structure, this type of half folded book like structure. So this lone pair, I mean this lone pair and this CO bond, those are not in a plane, okay. For resonance, RC double bond O and NH2, this lone pair and that CO bond for resonance, this should be in a bolo plane, okay. This should be a planar structure. Then only this resonance can happen. So here this resonance is allowed, but in beta-lactamycin, this resonance is not allowed. Any problem? इससे समझ में आ गया सबको? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Okay, ठीक है। तो अभी क्या होगा? So if we check the delta plus charge of these two carbonyl carbon, first one is this and second one is this, okay. So if we check the electrophilic tendency or delta plus charge of these two carbonyl carbons 1 and 2, so for carbon number 2 it will be more delta plus, that means it will be more electrophilic. Any problem? क्या बोल सकते हो? माइक्रोफोन ऑन कर दो करके बोलो, अदरवाइज बार बार टैब चेंज करना पड़ेगा। देखो मैंने क्या बोला, इफ यू आर considering this carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, then carbon number 2 will be more electrophilic in nature, or the delta positive charge on carbon number 2 will be more. इतना समझ में आया सबको? यस और नो? यस नो कुछ तो बोल दो, आ रहा है समझ में? यस सर, ओके, ठीक है। अब देखो क्या होगा। मान लो कि if you have water molecule, okay, you have water molecule in acidic medium. First try to understand why penicillin is acid sensitive. Okay, so मान लो if you have water molecule in acidic medium, so plus first H plus will make bond with O. Okay, so again this carbon number 2 will become more electropositive. So water will attack there. Water will attack here. Okay, water will not attack carbon number 1. Why? Because this carbon number 1 is less electropositive. The carbon 1 is less electrophilic, but carbon number 2 is more electrophilic. So water will always attack carbon number 2. It will not attack carbon number 1. Okay. Another reason is this beta lactamase ring is four member ring. Okay. Beta lactamase ring is four-member ring. So there is ring staining. Okay. First reason is this whole ring, this four-member whole ring has staining because only five-member and six-member ring are stable in nature. So all of these bonds are 90 degree, but in general, all of these carbon are sp3 in nature. So bond angle should be 109 degree, but here the bond angle is 90 degree. Okay. But in case of five member or six member, if the bond angle is almost close to 109 degree. Okay, so five-member and six-member is exactly 109 degree, and five-member will be slightly less than 109 degree. Okay, so both are stable ring, whether it is five-member or six-member, but four-member is not stable. So this is the another reason due to this ring staining. If water will attack this carbon number 2, then what will happen? The beta lactamase ring will broken up. Okay, then what will happen? R C double O C double one O N H, then O minus OH, then it will be like this. Okay, next क्या होगा? अल्टीमेटली होगा क्या? R C double one OH, then O minus OH, sorry, not C, O minus, it will be C double one OH. Okay, so अब तक सबको समझ में आ गया? Why beta lactamase ring is acid sensitive? सबको समझ में आ गया? Why beta lactamase ring is acid sensitive? बस इतना बोल दो. अच्छा, रिकॉर्डिंग में साउंड आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? ठीक है. तो एनी प्रॉब्लम? व्हाई beta lactamase ring is acid sensitive? बस इतना बोल दो. सब लोग बोल दो. जिसको समझ में आ गया बोल दो. अच्छा, मेरा वॉइस आ रहा है ना? मैं ऑडिबल? जल्दी रिप्लाई दे दो सब। ओके, देख लो। देयर आर मेनली टू रीजन। वन इज रिंग स्ट्रेनिंग and another one is another one is what? First reason is ring staining, and second reason is more electropositive nature of this carbonyl group of beta lactamase ring. Okay. अब देखो, इनको हम कैसे रोक सकते हैं? ओके, हाउ वी कैन प्रिवेंट द वाटर सॉरी एसिड सेंसिटिविटी ऑफ पेनिसिलिन। और देखो, थर्ड रीजन भी होता है। दिस थर्ड रीजन is self destruction penicillin. Okay, this is self destruction of penicillin. Why penicillin is self destructive? देखो क्या होता है। This lone pair can involve in conjugation because this whole this whole part is planar. Okay, so this lone pair can involve in conjugation, and then what will happen? This negative charge can attack on this carbon because this carbon is more electropositive. Okay, why more electropositive? Because this conjugation is not allowed. First of all, this conjugation is not allowed with nitrogen, and the ring system is strained. Okay, so what will happen? This type, okay, O negative, and again O negative will ultimately the beta lactamase reading will broke up. Okay, why? तो देखो, पेनिसिलिन में तीन टाइप का प्रॉब्लम होता है। पेनिसिलिन का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, स्ट्रक्चर में देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन पेनिसिलिन स्ट्रक्चर। Okay, so first problem is ring staining because this is a four member ring. So due to this four member ring, there is ring staining. Okay, so penicillin, this four member ring always try to break. Okay, so this is the first problem. Second problem is penicillin is self destructive. Okay, because this carbonyl can attack on the one carbonyl group can attack on another carbonyl group. Okay, sorry, this O minus can attack on this carbon. So penicillin is self destructive. And the third problem is acid sensitivity. Okay, so those are the main three problem of penicillin. So how we can prevent those three problems, those three types of problem? Okay, so first understand how we can prevent this self destructive nature of penicillin. Okay, so what we have to do? We need to attach any electron withdrawing group with earth. Okay, you need to attach any electron withdrawing group with earth. Electron withdrawing group. So what will be the benefit? Electron withdrawing group will pull the electron density towards itself. Okay. Electron withdrawing group will pull the electron density towards itself. So what will happen? This oxygen can't attack on this carbon. Okay, oxygen will not be able to attack on the next carbon. Why? Because due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, electron density of oxygen will not be available. Electron withdrawing group will pull the electron density from oxygen. Okay, so by this way you can prevent self-destruction of penicillin. One famous example of this type of penicillin is ampicillin. Okay, ampicillin. If we draw the structure of ampicillin, अच्छा am I audible to everyone? मतलब सुनाई दे रहा है कि मैं ऐसे बक रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा सुनाई दे रहा है, ठीक है. देखो, the structure of ampicillin is like this. Okay, and then beta lactam is ring, and then the other part. Okay, so nitrogen is electronegative is in nature. Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, all of them are electronegative in nature. So what will happen? Nitrogen will pull the electron density toward itself. Okay, so now this oxygen will have less electron density. Okay, so it will not be able to attack on the next carbon. So in this way, we can prevent the self-destruction of penicillin. Okay, सबको समझ में आ गया? आ रहा है समझ में? yes or no? कोई रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं देते हो? ठीक है, देखो नेक्स्ट हम क्या कर सकते हैं? बीटा लैक्टामेज और वाटर H++ H2O both can attack on this carbon. Generally, beta lactam attack on this carbon as well as acidic water also attack on this carbon. Okay, so if we increase the length of R group, okay, if we increase the length of this R group, sorry, if we make this R group bulkier, okay, then what will happen? If this R group is very much bulkier in nature, then what will happen? Any idea? If R group is bulkier, then what will happen? कोई रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं देते हो? देखो क्या होगा, मान लो कि प्रोक्सासिलिन हो गया या फ्लूप्रोक्सासिलिन हो गया, उसमें क्या होता है? जिनाइल ग्रुप इज बल्कियर इन नेचर. और मेथिसिलिन, हमारे मेथिसिलिन का एग्जांपल देख लो. वो यानी NH, nitrogen, and the other part. Okay. So now the R group is very much bulkier in nature. Okay. This is so bulky that it will block the entire part. Okay. It will block the entire part. अगर मैं स्ट्रक्चर को थोड़ा सा रोटेट कर दूं तो क्या होगा? NH, C double bond O and नीचे methicillin. Sorry. Orthopoid center ON. जस्ट सिंगल वन को रोटेट किया हो, ठीक है? अभी क्या होगा देखो. नाउ दिस R group become very much bulky. क्या होगा? Now beta lactamase enzyme, beta lactamase or water, acidic water, okay, acidic water will not be able to attack on this carbonyl carbon. Okay, why? Because this R group will create repulsion. So now what will happen? Now what will happen? Beta lactam will be resistant towards water as well as beta lactamase enzyme. Okay, I mean now no one can destroy this beta lactam drug. Okay, penicillin or I mean methicillin or cloxacillin, flucloxacillin, all of those are derivatives of penicillin. And the advantage of those drugs are they are almost immortal. Okay, so you can take it early because those are not acid sensitive, as well as beta lactamase enzyme can destroy them. Okay, अभी तक सबको क्लियर है? सबको क्लियर है? यस नो कुछ बोल दो, मैसेज भी कर दो. तो इसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को जो स्ट्रक्चर एक्टिविटी रिलेशनशिप है वो समझ में आ जाए, ठीक है? तो क्लॉक्सासिलिन और सासिलिन का भी एग्जाम्पल आप लोग देख लेना, कुछ ऐसा होता है. आर ग्रुप इज बल्कियर इन नेचर. ओके, so here also R group is bulkier in nature. This whole part is R group. So it will be again acid resistance as well as beta lactamase resistance. Okay, but there is a problem. If all R group become very much bulky, then also there is a problem. What is the problem? Last time मैंने बोला था. If R group is very much bulky, then also there is a problem. What is the problem? Last step कौन कौन था? देखो प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है. If R group is very much bulky, then uh, for gram-negative bacteria, beta-lactam will not be able to enter through this porine. I mean, like oxacillin or methicillin or any other derivatives of penicillin, where group is bulkier in nature, they can't enter through this porine. Okay, because porine is a narrow pipe-like structure. So for them, they will not, they can't act on gram-negative bacteria. Okay, if R group is bulky, then penicillin will be acid resistance, beta-lactam is enzyme resistance, but uh, they can enter through this podium channel. So their spectrum will be now narrow spectrum. They can only act against gram-positive bacteria, not against gram-negative bacteria. So there is a problem. So for that reason, generally we use uh, R group small, and with the penicillin, we provide some extra drug like tazobactam, salbactam. Those are beta lactamase inhibitor. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. Like if we are taking ampicillin, okay, like if we are taking ampicillin, then what will happen? For ampicillin, the R group is not bulky. Okay, this R group is very small. Okay? This is only benzene. R group is very small, but there is a electron withdrawing group. So ampicillin is not self-destructive, but still there is a problem. Beta-lactamase enzyme can attack. Water also can attack because this R group is not bulky. But there is an advantage also. The plus point is it can act against gram negative. Why? It can enter through podium channel. Okay, it can enter through podium channel. So now penicillin is sorry, ampicillin is activated. Sorry, ampicillin can work in both cases, in both gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria. Okay, why? Because this R group is small, but beta lactamase enzyme can attack. So what will you do? We can use some bodyguard like salbactam, tazobactam. Those are beta lactamase inhibitors. So ampicillin plus any type of beta lactamase inhibitor will now can act in both gram positive as well as gram negative, and the whole combination will be resistant towards beta lactamase. Okay, the whole combination will be resistance against beta lactamase. Why? Because beta lactamase inhibitor will inhibit this beta lactamase enzyme. Okay, any problem till now? मैं रिकॉर्डिंग का स्टॉप कर रहा हूँ.